Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Light your candle. Alright, yay! And enjoy the cupcake.
It hurt.
Pretty good.
It's a red cupcake.
Red velvet.
Go, baby. Yummy, yum, yum.
You're sweet, huh?
Look, do you want that?
What do you think, Aiden? That Jesus' birthday cake?
What's that?
What's what?
He wants the candles.
Gingerbread house.
Oh, what's that in the back?
I can't see that.
What, he wants the
His eyes
candles.
go on it every time.
Yay, Luke! What's this? What's this?
Turn it over and you have icing. You want Daddy's drink or what?
His eyeballs are going with everything.